Hello guys, so welcome to the YouTube channel. So basically today I'm gonna show you how to create trap beats on Bandlab application using the loop packs. So let's begin the video. Guys, before we start the video, YouTube says 71% of you are not subscribed, so please subscribe and turn on post notifications. So guys, after launching your Bandlab application, the next thing for you to do is to click on this plus icon and go to your looper. And you're gonna wait for it to load. So this is my looper packs. I've downloaded some beats. So all you need to download the beat, you click on this search icon here. You search for the beat you want, trap, hip hop, pop, or R&B. You search for any type of genre of music you want. So you click on the beats to download it. So yeah, this is my download. I know today I'll be teaching you how to create trap beats volume 1. In the next video I'm going to teach you part 2 of how to create a trap beat. So let us stick with the volume 1 today, and this is E minor. So this is it now. This is it. The first thing you need to do to create a beat on Bandlab with the loop, you need to check the type of sound and beat you want. So let's check. Okay. Okay, I've seen a melody in this one. Nice. So to start your recording, when you have seen the beat you want to create, you click on this red button here. So you click on start. So guys, once you're done with creating the beat, then you click on this arrow drop down here. Sorry. And so this is, then you have to trim it. Then you cut it off and you drag this inside. Then your beat is ready. So guys, once that is done, for this particular part, so at the end of every music you need to put fade. You know, when you are listening to music, the music volume will be going little by little, going down little by little. So to do that, you click on this dot icon here and you click on fade, then choose here. Sorry. Then see, as you can see, it has gone down. So that's how you make a mix. Then you click on this this here to save or publish or download your beat. So that's basically how I make my beat with loop. There's nothing for me going to meet a producer to just make a beat for me, and then I pay the producer and record. That it's easy, as it's very easy. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the part 2.